So guys, finally we bought these crackers for our upcoming Diwali festival. So let us see, what are all the items that I bought. So you can see it's a big bag that I purchased, and I'll open it. And before that, I will show you the bill. So I bought these many items, okay, just for 4,000 rupees. Actually, it costs around 4,813 or something like that. They had given a good discount, 813, and then they sealed the value to 4,000 rupees. And these are the items that I have purchased at Navin Traders at Jujwadi, at Hosur in Tamil Nadu. Okay, now I will just show you the crackers which I bought for our, Diwali. So as you can see, it's a big bag, guys. I will open one by one and show you the things. So these are, the flower pots. It's a box actually. They also give us, individual packs, but I prefer to buy, packs only. So these are some colorful flower pots which I bought, and also, you know, uh, and some jewels. Around 6 boxes I've taken this. Yeah, these are different kind of things. And also I bought some colorful jewels. These are red flamed jewels, which I love them a lot. And also I bought these boo chakras, medium size, and again the boo chakras, the large size, these two. And I bought these rockets. As we are living in a city, so I prefer only these small ones. I don't want to hurt other people, hurt my neighbors especially. And I take these threads as well, and these sticks. I don't know these sticks, for the first time I'm seeing, and I don't know how to use that, but they said you can use this to flame your flower pots and these rockets and everything. And these are rocket bombs actually. So this rocket gives you a very low sound when it blasts, but this one gives you a huge sound once it takes off. I will open all these things, but let me walk you through what I bought. And I bought color fountains. For the first time I'm seeing this. They said that this sparkles at least for 3 minutes with the different colors. So that description I loved, and I bought this as well. Also I will show you this is another one which I bought. This one sparkles a lot, but this particular thingy goes to the height at least 50 meters. That's it. And the width of that particular sparkle gives you just 10 to 15 meters, they said. And at the same time, in the same way, I bought another thingy which actually travel around 150-meter height, and that sparkles like boom, 50 meters or something like that, they said. That's the reason I was quite impressed with their description of these two, and I bought them. And there is some interesting peacock flower pot, they said. This looks very cute. I bought a extra small one actually. This is, so they said that it spreads like this, red, white, and green colors like that, from here, here, and here. So this gives some excitement to the family members, so I prefer this one as well. And also I bought another one. This is a super cool one from what to say, Supreme brand. These are the siren mini flower pots. So this gives sirens each time you flame it, they said. So I bought this one as well. I love all these products, guys. So I prefer to go Jujuwadi and to buy these crackers. Why? I got a 90% discount on each of these items, and this really saved me a lot of money. So I love these guys. If you are also looking for the same sort of products or different products, even though at low budget, you can travel there. Aram say it's hardly 18 kilometers from Electronic City. It comes around 36 kilometers up and down, or let's say 40 kilometers around up and down, but it saves you a lot of money. For example, last year I alone bought this flower pot box. For this particular flower pot box for 1550 rupees in local market, especially the day when we celebrate the Diwali. But I bought this now for 450 rupees. See the margin, guys. So I strongly recommend you all go to any, not only Navin traders, there are many traders, especially these crackers wholesale shops. You can go to any shop, but you will get a huge discounts there. I'm I can assure you on that. So these are all the crackers which I bought for my celebrations for this Diwali. You comment which are all the items that you are going to buy for your Diwali celebrations, and yeah, that's all from this video, guys. Please like, do subscribe to my channel, and share this video if you really love it. Yeah, thank you. See you.